Dear children, today we are going to learn about properties of addition and subtraction of integers. There are 5 properties of addition and subtraction of integers. They are closure property, commutative property, identity property, associative property, and additive inverse. What do you mean by closure property? Integers are closed under addition and subtraction as the sum and the difference of integers is an integer. Integers are closed under addition and subtraction as the sum and the difference of integers is an integer. It means that the sum or the difference of any two integers will also be an integer. That is, if a and b are integers, then a plus b and a minus b will also be an integer. If a and b are integers, then a plus b and a minus b will also be an integer. Let's go through the following examples, then it will be more clear for you. The case of addition, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. That is, both integers are positive integers, so its sum is also a positive integer. The second case, minus 6 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 14. So these two integers are negative integers. That is negative 14. Negative 12 plus 16 is equal to 4. And 24 plus negative 40 is equal to negative 16. In all these cases, the sum will remain as the integer. So when you add two integers, the sum will remain as an integer. In the case of subtraction, when you subtract two integers, then also the difference will be an integer. That is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. That is 3 is an integer. 4 minus 8 is equal to negative 4. So negative 4 is an integer. Negative 6 minus negative 8 is equal to 2. So 2 is also an integer. Negative 7 minus 9 is equal to negative 16. So negative 16 is also an integer. The second property, that is commutative property. Let us see what is the meaning of commutative property. Addition is commutative for integers, while subtraction is not commutative for integers. Addition is commutative for integers, while subtraction is not commutative for integers. The sum of two integer numbers is always the same. This means that the integer numbers follow the commutative property under addition. But the subtraction of integers are not commutative. If a and b are integers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. That means in the case of addition, it is a commutative property. But in the case of subtraction, it is not commutative property. That means a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So let us go through these following examples, then it will be more clear for you. The case of addition, negative 5 plus negative 10 is equal to negative 10 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 15. So here negative 5 and negative 10, they are they are two integers, negative integers. But when we change the order of these two integers, that is negative 10 plus negative 5, so we will get the sum, that is a negative 15. The second question, negative 4 plus 8 is equal to 8 plus negative 4. So we change their order. Then also we got the answer 4. That means the sum remains the same. 11 plus negative 19 is equal to negative 19 plus 11 is equal to negative 8. In all these cases, the addition, the commutative property is applicable. The second case, that is the subtraction. 6 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 6. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. But 5 minus 6 is equal to negative 1. That means 1 is not equal to negative 1. The second question, negative 4 minus 8 is not equal to 8 minus negative 4. Negative 4 minus 8 is equal to negative 12. And 8 minus negative 4 is equal to 12. So, negative 12 is not equal to 12. Negative 11 minus negative 7 is not equal to negative 7 minus negative 11. Negative 11 minus negative 7 is equal to negative 4. And negative 7 minus negative 11 is equal to 4. So, negative 4 is not equal to 4. Here the exercise for you to solve. Add the following. And second question is subtract the following. Students, I hope that you understood these two properties. Other three properties we will learn in the next class. Thank you.